Making a girl feel comfortable around you isn't rocket science. It's about creating a safe and welcoming environment where she can be herself, without any fear or hesitation. Whether you're trying to build a friendship or exploring a romantic connection, here are 7 simple yet effective ways to make a girl feel at ease in your presence. Way number 1, be genuine and authentic. Authenticity is key when it comes to building trust and comfort. Do what makes you unique and let that show through. Pretending to be someone you're not will only create barriers and prevent genuine connections from forming. Show interest in getting to know her for who she truly is, and be open about yourself as well. Authenticity breeds comfort and sets the foundation for a meaningful relationship. Okay, so way number 2 is this: respect her boundaries. Respecting boundaries is crucial in any relationship. Focus on her words and body language to figure out how comfortable she is. If she seems hesitant or uncomfortable with certain topics or actions, don't push it. Let her know you understand and give her the space she needs. This demonstrates that you value her feelings and opinions, which in turn fosters trust and comfort. Then the third way is, listen actively. Listening is a powerful tool for making someone feel valued and understood. When she speaks, give her your full attention without interrupting or jumping to conclusions. Show empathy and validate her feelings by paraphrasing what she's saying and expressing understanding. Avoid dominating the conversation and make sure she has the opportunity to share her thoughts and feelings. Active listening builds rapport and strengthens the bond between you. Next, way number 4 is simply this: create a positive environment. The atmosphere you create plays a significant role in how comfortable she feels around you. Maintain a positive attitude and approach interactions with optimism and warmth. Make her laugh to lighten the mood and put her at ease. Avoid negative topics or conversations that may create tension or discomfort. Instead, focus on topics that are uplifting and enjoyable for both of you. A positive environment fosters a sense of ease and enjoyment in each other's company. Way number 5, show empathy and understanding. In case you are wondering, empathy simply means you can feel and understand the emotions someone else is having. Show empathy towards her experiences, challenges, and emotions. Validate her feelings and offer support without judgment. Demonstrate that you care about her well-being and are willing to listen and help whenever needed. Understanding her perspective fosters trust and strengthens the emotional connection between you. Moving on to way number 6, be respectful and considerate. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Treat her with kindness, courtesy, and consideration at all times. Be mindful of her feelings, preferences, and boundaries. Avoid making derogatory or offensive remarks, and refrain from engaging in behavior that may make her feel uncomfortable or disrespected. Show appreciation for her as a person and acknowledge her worth. Respectful behavior creates a safe and welcoming environment where she can relax and be herself. And finally, my last piece of advice, way number 7, build trust through consistency. Trust takes time to build, but consistency is key to earning it. Be reliable and dependable in your words and actions. Keep the promises you made to her, and be someone who shows up when she needs your help. Avoid sudden changes in behavior or attitude that may cause confusion or distrust. Show her that she can count on you to be honest, loyal, and supportive. Building trust requires patience and effort, but the rewards are worth it in the form of a strong and lasting bond. Here's a very quick summary. Making a girl feel comfortable around you is about creating a genuine connection based on trust, respect, and understanding. By being authentic, respectful, and empathetic, you can create a positive environment where she feels valued and accepted. Listen actively, show empathy, and demonstrate consistency in your words and actions. Building trust and comfort takes time and effort, but the rewards are invaluable in the form of deep and meaningful relationships. So, go ahead and put these simple yet powerful strategies into practice to make her feel comfortable and appreciated in your presence. Guys, if you found these tips helpful, please press the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for our next video. It will be out before you know it. Take care and goodbye for now, everyone.